In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the multimedia settings in Slack. So whether you have an issue with screen sharing, your audio, or even your video in Slack, then I'm going to show you how to basically test these. So go ahead and click your profile in the lower left, then click in preferences. From here, you want to click in audio and video. Then from here, you want to ensure that you have your correct, let's say, microphone and also your camera. And if you have your speaker as well, if it's not working, you can go ahead and ensure that you change these and click in test speaker. Now, one of the things that you can do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here you will find troubleshooting, run audio, video, and screen sharing test. And just simply click on that to run it. And you can see, guys, that it's doing some testing there. And as you can see, in my case, it basically fails the camera because this is a gaming computer with no camera, so that's gonna fail anyways. And as you can see, everything else is currently running through the test. So in case you have any issues with Slack, guys, I recommend that you run through the test right here to see if it's detecting any problem and try to fix it. This is what I do when I have any problem, and it basically helps me to fix the issues. And as you can see right here, that it checks everything for me. And that's it. Just keep in mind that you will have the option when you're testing those speaker, you will have this beeping sound in your ear. So if you can hear, you need to go ahead and click yes real quick. Otherwise, that sound will never stop. So go ahead and do that. And yeah, you'll be able to test your speaker, your camera. As you can see, you have camera, microphone, speaker, you have your audio connectivity, you have your network connectivity, screen sharing, all these things will be tested. So that's it. If you're having a problem, this is how you can troubleshoot Slack on your PC.